speak it, write it, sing it, come and be right. Reach across the world.
Sandali, tignan na natin. O, ayan, Porfirio. Magaling ka na pala eh. Tumalab yung gamot na pinainom ko sa'yo.
Siguro nga. Dahil mabuti na ang pakiramdam ko eh.
O, di mabuti. O, sige. Pag-usapan na natin yung kwento natin sa araw na ito.
Oo nga.
Kids, may kwento ko para sa inyo. Today is Story Day! Listen, I have a story. What is the story about? Listen, I have a story. What is the story? What is the story about? The title of our story is Ouch, said Ochie by Sandra Sulit. One day, Ochie spilled some hot chocolate on his hand. Ouch! Cried Ochie. Ouch! Just then, Polly Pilosopo arrived. What's the matter? My hand is painful. Polly put some ice on Ochie's hand. Ouch! My hand is painful. It's still painful. Just then, Oli Arbolario arrived. What's the matter? My hand is painful. Oli Arbolario put some sabila on Ochie's hand. Ouch! Cried Ochie. Ouch! Ouch! My hand is painful. It's still painful. Just then, Dolly Doctor arrived. What's the matter? My hand is painful. Dolly Doctor put some medicine on Ochie's hand. Ouch! Cried Ochie. Ouch! Ouch! My hand is painful. It's still painful. Just then, Ochie's mother arrived. What's the matter? My hand is painful. Aling Chuchi smiled. Then she kissed Ochie's hand. Ochie smiled. My hand is better, said Ochie. Thank you, Mama. The end. Yun lang naman palang kailangan ni Ochie ang pag-aalaga ng kanyang ina.
Hindi ba nakatulong din ang mga ginawa ni na Polly, Ollie at Dolly?
Nakatulong din yon, pero lalong guminhawa ang pakiramdam ni Ochie nang dumating ang kanyang nanay. At kung wala naman ang nanay, pwede rin kayong alagaan ng tatay, ng kapatid, lolo, lola o ng kaibigan. Oh, did you like our story?
Read it, speak it,